Hi, it's Sandra, and it's time to pick my winner for the May giveaway. So if you remember, I was actually giving away two plates, two Maniology plates, M573, which is the Little Swans, and this one, which is the comic book blurps. I don't know what else you call it. And this was M407. Plus, I was giving away this little teeny Maniology pineapple stamper. So it's really cute. I don't know why I got it, but anyway, here it is. So those are the three things, and we're going to pick a winner, and good luck to everyone, and we'll see who wins. All right, let's get this on camera so you can see. Don't judge my nails. I've been out in the garden, and they are really dirty. All right. So the winner of the May giveaway is at Vinoto is the winner, at Vinoto. So at Vinoto, all you have to, congratulations first, and all you have to do is write to me by email with your name, your full name, your address of where you want me to ship this stuff, and I will send it to you early next week, probably on Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, sometime before Wednesday, I'm sure. So congratulations to Vinoto. And everyone, thanks for watching, and I will be doing my June giveaway soon.